One is underhood temperatures stay significantly cooler. There are no hot exhaust turbine housings, there's no hot exhaust manifold to really get those underhood temperatures really cooking. Secondly, you don't need a turbo timer because these turbos actually are able to cool down. They're actually in the free flow of air without being in the engine compartment. No need for a turbo timer to cool them down after a hard run. Also, with the STS turbo system, you get a 1 to 3 mile per gallon increase in fuel economy.